In this video, we are going to simulate beta decay using helium with a mass of 4. We know that this is helium with a mass of 4 because helium has 2 protons, and when it has a mass of 4, it has 2 neutrons. The way that we write helium with a mass of 4 is using this symbol, 4 on top, the symbol for helium, and then 2 on the bottom. During beta decay, the helium atom is going to have one of its neutrons lose an electron. The electron is known as a beta particle. When this happens, the neutron becomes a proton. So the way that we simulate this is we take one of our neutrons, we remove a beta particle, which is an electron, and then we show the neutron becoming a proton. The way that we would write this in a formula is we would say the helium with a mass of 4 undergoes beta decay, so we would show our beta particle plus the element that was created. In this case, we have 3 protons and 1 neutron. So the element that has 3 protons and 1 neutron is the element lithium with a mass of 4.